invite Maria from our team to share with us some latest demos and SDKs and APIs and how you can build this yourself. Go ahead, Maria.
That sounds good. Thanks so much, Ramesh. Hi everyone. My name is Maria. I'm the core contributor on the Project NANDA team. So today I'll be walking you through how the NANDA SDK works, what problems it solves, what it enables, and why it's important as we move forward toward the more open, decentralized Internet of Agents. So first, a bit of context. As you've heard, NANDA is a lightweight decentralized index, a kind of router that helps you discover and communicate with a highly diverse network of agents. But these agents might be built using model context protocols like MCP tools and servers, which handle tasks like calendar or file storage. They can be simple reactive base agents. They can be more proactive A2A agents, or even NL web agents that talk to servers like Yelp or Microsoft API. And as the ecosystem grows, we're going to see more and more specialized protocols. And that's exciting, but it also creates a challenge. And the challenge is protocol fragmentation. So let's say you want to build an agent that can communicate across many different systems. If one agent speaks A2A, another user MCP, and another HTTPS, they can't natively talk to each other. So we need a universal translation layer, something that lets these different agents and protocols interoperate. So that's where the NANDA agent adapter comes in. So it's a lightweight SDK that wraps around your agent and gives it the ability to translate and multiplex messages across different protocols like MCP, A2A, HTTPS, NL web, and any new ones we will build in the future. So in short, it makes your agent protocol aware. So it can act like an MCP client when needed, or an A2A server, or even as an HTTP endpoint, all using the same underlying logic. So let me walk you through a simple but very powerful example. So imagine a user named Adam who wants to order his usual cake from his favorite bakery, Moon Bakery, for his daughter's birthday. So Adam types, can I get the usual cake for my daughter's birthday this weekend? And his client, maybe a browser or chat app, sends this as an HTTPS request to his personal agent. So now Adam's agent kicks off several tasks. So it maybe checks his calendar using MCP to find the birthday date. Then it queries Yelp, maybe via NL web, to double check bakery ratings or availability. Then it can also ping the NANDA index to find the Moon Bakery's agent. And finally, it sends an A2A message to the bakery's agent to place the order. So the bakery agent, in turn, might talk to its own MCP systems, like for customer history, inventory, and so on, before sending a confirmation. So this is a multiplex conversation, and the adapter makes the translation between all of these steps seamless. So again, what exactly does the NANDA adapter SDK do? It provides a domain-specific language that lets you define how your agent handles different types of messages. It makes your agent capable of handling multiple protocols. It works with any agent development framework like Google ADK or your own codebase. It gives your agent superpowers like discoverability, interoperability, and flexible communication, all without sacrificing control. And one of the most powerful parts is this, you can host your agent locally, say on your own EC2 machine, and still have it globally discoverable through the NANDA index. So your data stays private, your conversations are private, your infrastructure stays in your hand, but still you can make your agent talk with anyone in the world. So yeah, to recap, there are two main innovations here. So there's the NANDA index, which is a lightweight decentralized directory that helps you discover agents. And there is the NANDA adapter SDK, which is a universal translator that lets those agents talk across protocols. Maybe this wasn't needed in the past because enterprise agents all lived inside closed systems, But now, as we move toward a global agentic internet, translation and interoperability becomes essential. So final steps, the SDK is open source and available on GitHub under our repository project.nanda/nanda SDK. We welcome contributors, feedback, new protocol integrations. So it only takes a few minutes to spin up your own agent. You'll be able to do it, and then you'll be able to be a part of a growing open ecosystem. Yeah, this is pretty much it. Thanks so much for listening. I'll now hand it over to Pradyumna, who will dive into the research side.
Thanks so much, Maria. Before we dive into that, I think there are a few questions. Mithul was asking, can Nanda registry be, can Nanda, I guess, index or maybe via the SDK be used to connect agents created on cloud like Azure and AWS?
Exactly. So with Nanda SDK, the first thing you actually need to spin up like your own EC2 machine, right, on AWS or like anywhere else. And then you basically like install the agent SDK there and create your agent there. So it can be hosted anywhere, even on your local computer through like ngrok, for example.
Awesome. Thanks so much, Maria. Thanks for the very cool overview of the technical side of Nanda.